interested in cloth diapers, but your baby's a little bit older, maybe 18 months, 24 months, and you're wondering if it's worth the investment. I mean, you are done with wasting money on disposables and you are over the blowouts that happen with disposable diapers, and you just don't want the chemicals that are in disposable diapers next to your baby's bum anymore, but you're not quite sure. Baby's a little bit older. Is it worth the investment? Well, in this video, I'm going to talk about the pros and cons to making the switch to cloth diapers a little bit later on, and I'm also going to give you some tips and tricks to help make that transition to cloth a little bit smoother for you and your toddler. Hi everyone, my name is April Duffy and I'm the owner of Cloth Diapers for Beginners, a website, Facebook group, and now a YouTube channel, all dedicated to helping you understand cloth diapers so that you can choose and use cloth diapers your own way. In this video, as I mentioned, we're talking about making the switch to cloth diapers with a toddler. I'm going to go over some pros and cons and give you some tips and tricks to help make that transition a little bit smoother. So let's get into it. Okay, so is changing to cloth diapers with an older baby crazy? It might be, it might not be. For baby, the transition should go pretty smoothly. You know, if they're a little bit older, they might have a little bit of a resistance to change, but I'll get to some tips and tricks for that later. For you though, the question might be a little bit more complicated, and you're gonna wanna look at 3 questions to ask yourself before you decide if you want to make the switch. The first question is, are you switching mostly for health and environmental benefits, or are you switching for financial reasons? If you're switching for the health and environmental benefits, switch right away. The faster that you get a cloth diaper on and take off the disposable diapers, the faster you're not throwing away disposable diapers, the faster you're not putting, you know, harmful chemicals next to a baby's genital area. So if it's health and environmental reasons, I say switch as soon as possible. Now, if it's for financial reasons, there are a couple other things you'll want to consider, which I'm going to get to right now. So the second question you want to ask yourself is baby close to being potty trained? If they're going, you know, 2 hours or more staying dry and they're kind of showing interest in the potty, then maybe you don't want to go right to cloth diapers. Maybe you want to kind of skip over all of that and go to cloth training pants and bedwetting pants and just start the potty training process. You can get cloth training pants like these. Now these are my absolute favorite. These are apple cheeks training pants. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. I'm also gonna leave a link in the description to a full article written about this topic that you can find on clothdiapersforbeginners.com. Getting back to cloth trainers, this is my favorite cloth trainer. You know, most of them are pull-up style. You can get a few that have snaps, but they're pretty much just weak cloth diapers. These aren't as absorbent as cloth diapers whatsoever, so they will not hold a full pee, but if, you know, baby is showing interest and you can start that process, they are great, and they're going to save you from buying pull-ups like crazy. So if baby is close to potty training, maybe you just want to skip ahead to daytime trainers and also bedwetting pants. Now, bedwetting pants like these are going to hold, you know, Hoover Dam. They're actually really great overnight diapers if you can get away with them. And baby's a little bit older and can fit into them. So maybe you want to consider switching to cloth trainers and just skip over cloth diapers for now. The third thing that you want to consider is, are you planning on having any more children? I know it's a tough question, and we never plan for these things all the time. Things happen. But if you are thinking that, you know what, I probably do want more kids later on, then buying cloth diapers now is not a bad investment, because you can always use them for the next batch of kids. Next child. It could be a batch if you get twins, but anyway. So you can use them for subsequent children. If you get a good brand of diapers, they're gonna last for a bunch of kids, however many you choose to have, so you're gonna save more money and they won't go to waste. Now, if you're thinking that, you know, I'm done, I love my child or children, but you know, I'm done, I'm not planning on having any more, then, you know, maybe you really want to consider how long baby is going to be on those diapers, because it is a significant investment up front. So if you're not saving money over time on buying disposables, then sometimes the cost savings just doesn't make sense. So really think about, you know, your family planning and what you think you might do in the future as far as other children. You can resell diapers after, especially if they've only been used for one baby for a short amount of time. That means your diapers are going to be in really good condition after you're done with them. But But the resale value on diapers lately has been pretty low. People are just looking for bargains. They're not willing to spend money on good diapers really very much anymore. So as far as pros and cons, you know, weighing the decision of, do I want to switch to cloth diapers with an older baby? Those are the 3 things that you want to think about. Am I switching for environmental and health reasons or financial reasons? If I'm switching for financial reasons, you know, is baby close to being potty trained? And also, am I planning on having any more children? You know, there are pros and cons to buying cloth diapers for each of those. You know, consider your specific situation and make the best choice for you. If you do decide to make the switch to cloth diapers with an older baby, there are a few things that can help make that transition a little bit smoother for both of you. Make sure you have enough absorbency. That is going to be key with an older baby. You definitely need to add more absorbency right out of the gate. So adding more inserts, adding inserts that can hold more liquid like natural fibers like cotton, hemp, and bamboo. That's really going to be key because, you know, you don't want to start out having leaks right away just because you think that the inserts that come with your diapers are going to be enough, but they're really not. Also for nighttime, depending on what kind of diaper you're using, it's probably not going to be enough. You need to get yourself some fitted diapers. Fitted diapers under a cloth diaper cover, a really good quality cloth diaper cover. I can leave some links to some in the description below as well. That is going to be what gets you through the night. A regular small diaper is not going to get you through the night, especially with the toddler. Second, you know, you want to bring in the fun. So make the transition easier mentally for both of you. So for you, that means, you know, pick out some prints that you love. Cloth diapers come in all kinds of prints. They come in nerdy prints, they come in beautiful prints, they come in solid colors like the rainbow. You can get anything in a cloth diaper. Pick things that are gonna make you just wanna put them on that baby bum and watch them run around all day. Things that really get you jazzed and excited. Your baby loves colors and fun prints and quirky things too. Let them pick the next diapers that they get to wear. Even if you're just giving them like 2 choices and which one's next, that's gonna give them some control over the situation and make them feel like they're involved and, you know, this is a cool transition because I get to make decisions and be part of it. You could also make cloth diapers for them about, you know, being the next step in their growth. Especially with older toddlers, I want to be a big boy, I want to be a big girl. That's a big thing for them. So if you can kind of position cloth diapers as, you know, this is one step closer to potty training. You get to wear big boy diapers or big girl diapers. Oh, look how you're growing up. That's gonna make them feel amazing about cloth diapers and they're gonna get super excited. At the end of the day, it should be a positive change for you both, and if the circumstances are right, then it definitely will be. And I hope, you know, this was a positive video for you and it helped you make the decision of whether cloth diapers for your older baby are a good decision or a bad decision for you and your circumstances. If you do choose to use cloth diapers, I hope it makes the transition a little bit smoother. And if it did, and if you want more videos like this, I'm gonna ask you right now to please hit subscribe and get notifications. That would be amazing. I want to know if these videos are helpful and if I should make more of them. This is kind of an experiment right now still, so please hit subscribe and I will see you in the next video.